Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another wig video, but this one is from Myfirstwig. I used to wear Myfirstwig wigs all the time. I haven't worn one in a really long time, so this should be fun. I have a wear and go wig from them, so this should be interesting to see their take on the wear and go wigs because they've always been very beginner friendly. But this is the wig out the bag, but this isn't how I got it. I'm going to show you guys originally what it looks like fresh out the box. I did originally try to put this wig on with a wig cap, but I did not like it. So I ended up redoing it, but this is what the wig looks like fresh out the box. It does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but it does have a little bit of lace on it for you to cut. So that's what I'm doing here. But right on, it looks so good. I actually messed it up. Not the wig, but with that wig cap, I put too much hairspray and it turned white. So it was like too hard to clean up. So I was just like, I'll come back another day when my hair is clean and try this again without the wig cap. But this is me just trying to like wipe off the extra hairspray, but the cap was white underneath. So I was just like, forget it. So here we are, a new day, and I'm just gonna do it all over again. So no wig cap this time. I'm just putting the wig on. It does come with an adjustable band, and I also have this wig in a cap size small. So it is literally the perfect fit. I know a lot of wigs that are like the wear and go come one size fits all, and sometimes those aren't the best fit. But this one is. So I'm just pulling out some of my edges because it'll make a little more sense later on. All I'm gonna do is straighten out this wig. How I had it stored left like a hump on one side, so I'm just trying to straighten that out. I'm using a flat iron and some hairspray. And since this hair is a straight texture, there's really not much that you need to do but go over it with the flat iron to get the kinks out. This hair has layers in the front, so I'm just making sure to straighten out the front layers and then any other kink I see in the back. But this wig is 130% density. You can go up to 180, which I probably would because I do like my straight hair to be a little more full. But this is a nice natural density. I also have 20 inches, and there's a lot more specs on this wig that you can further customize. I have like the free customizations, but if you wanted your hairline to be more plucked, you could do that. If you wanted more bleaching, you could do that. They could dye it black for you if that's something that you wanted as well, because it does come in the natural color, which is what I have, which is kind of like a 1B-ish. And then for flyaways, I'm just going in with a spray bottle with water because I feel like that works the best. And the hair is still going to dry straight because this is a silky straight texture. So I love that. So here I'm just tucking some of the hair behind my ears. So that's why I left a little bit of my edges out so that this looks seamless. This is definitely giving silk press. And I normally don't go for 13 by 6 lace fronts because my head is so small, they never fit right. But I think it's because I can't specify the cap size and they all come like medium. So this one lays perfectly flat. So I'm just taking some edge control and doing a little teeny slicking, but that is it. And that's it. The wig is very natural. You don't need any glue, hairspray, nothing. It's just that flat, as you can see. But that's it. That is all there is to it. I'll be sure to list all of Myfirstwig's information in the description box for you guys. I'll also have a link and all that jazz for the direct unit that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.